How to time slides in Google Slides. Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can time slides in Google Slides. So let's get right into it. The first step is to open up your Google Slides, just like I have done here. And then once it's open, go ahead and select the Google Slides that the presentation, the particular presentation that you would like to time its slides. So once you're on the presentation page, right, top part of the screen, you can see the title of the presentation. Then you can see some tabs which includes file, edit, view, insert, format, slide, arrange tools, extensions, help. So once you can see this, move to the times to the slideshow button and then just click on it. So once you're on this page, move to the bottom left corner where you can see the presenter menu, and then click on the three vertical lines that you can see there. Then the box displayed, you can see options like open speaker notes, turn on the laser pointer, turn on the pen, exit full screen, exit slideshow, auto play. So by clicking on auto play, a box will be displayed. Then you have the opportunity to time your slides this way. How do you want to time them? You can select perhaps every 2 seconds. Oh, sorry. Just click on it, ensure the cursor is on the box. So you can select every 3 seconds, every 5 seconds. Just go ahead, select the one you want, and the each of the slides would be timed that way. So this is it, okay? This is how you can time your slide on Google Slides. Thank you and have a good day.